Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I have a super quick, super amateur cook with me video. I wanted to show you guys how I make my seafood or crab macaroni and cheese. It is to die for delicious. It is made out of all ingredients I pick up at Trader Joe's except for one, I think, except for one. You'll see everything. I don't know how well the footage came out because the lighting in my kitchen is so very bad, but I wanted to make sure I showed you guys because every time I post it, people want to know what it is. So without further ado, here is my 9 smart points, super easy and incredibly delicious seafood mac and cheese. All right, my friends, the things you need for this super simple recipe is the Trader Joe's reduced guilt macaroni and cheese or any microwave macaroni and cheese. However, the smart points that I am telling you are for these ingredients specifically. The reduced guilt mac and cheese, which is 8 smart points. You need the frozen crab meat, which is thankfully thawing. I do not have the box here because I recycled it already, but this is the frozen crab meat that I talked about in my 10 things at Trader Joe's, Weight Watchers friendly things. I'll post it right up there for you. This is the frozen crab meat. One packet is 2 servings of meat, but I'm using the whole packet. You need the Trader Joe's light mozzarella cheese, a Weight Watchers fan favorite. 1 smart point for 1 ounce or 1 1/4 ounces, which is 35 grams, and what I will be using. Everything but the bagel seasoning, life necessity. And then I also use, for a little extra something something, I use the G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, which is upside down because I need to get it to come out. So those are the ingredients for my seafood mac. Let me show you how I put it together. The first thing you're going to do is super simple. You're going to cook this as directed, and it says cook 3 to 4 minutes. This of course depends on the wattage of your microwave, and I always cook it on the lower end of the time range because I'm going to be throwing it back into the microwave once I am done putting everything else in it. So I'm gonna cook this for 3 minutes. Pro tip, if you don't have the foresight to lay out your frozen crab packet early, go ahead and just soak it in a cup of hot water. It will thaw really, really quickly, 5 or 10 minutes max. All right, so here it is, cooked for 3 minutes. I went ahead and cut open my crab packet. Once it is thawed, I highly recommend you snip the corner and squeeze out the liquid because there will be excess liquid in here. And then once you do that, I just dump it all in. Once you have it good and blended, it is time to add all the fun stuff. So I'm using my trusty scale here. For 3 tablespoons of this barbecue sauce, it is 0 smart points. 2 tablespoons is 30 grams. 24 grams seems to be about all I'm going to be getting out of this bottle, which is totally fine. That is more than enough. The next thing I do is take my everything but the bagel seasoning and I just sprinkle it on there a little bit. And then the final touch is to zero out your scale and add the cheese. And like I said, pro tip, 35 grams is 1 smart point as opposed to just the 28 grams for 1 ounce. Now I'm going to pop this back in the microwave. As an alternate option, if you ever wanted to use the Trader Joe's seafood blend, you would just put your seafood blend, your desired amount, into a pan, heat it up, get it to thaw, cook it through a little bit, and then you would throw that in the macaroni and cheese like I did the crab meat. And there you have it, my friends. Ooey, gooey, cheesy, delicious crab barbecue macaroni and cheese. 9 smart points for the entire thing. It is a little bit of a point splurge, but it is definitely a staple in my kitchen. And there you have it. It is super simple and so very, very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what other recipes you would like to see from me in my little cook with me videos. I'm going to start doing them a little bit more often once I figure out how to make them turn out right in the lighting that's in the kitchen. But I wanted to share this one because it's so simple and it's such a good comfort food in the middle of winter. I think that is so essential to have some options like that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for taking time to watch. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.